He's going to control our stoppage at the end.
Just one person.
Alright, so the way this works is and we'll give an example of this. There is a countdown and it's gonna go like 3, 2, 1, go!
She's trying to hit her.
She's slowing down as much as she can.
Yeah.
She's trying.
So who's up first? Who wants to start first? Hold it on.
Oh, she might have did. Look, come here.
Yeah. That's even win.
And I'll get you going.
Okay. Look,
Step on up.
I thought she was.
I could build this at Dad's.
And we are trained through this.
I can get the phone poles
see
free.
if somebody goes early. So if you go on one, I'm gonna call you out. I'm gonna make so much fun of you. Don't go. Hang on. Wait.
How bad do you want to win?
I'd
I'll do about a
so on
500
three.
foot one at Dad's.
2, 1, go! I think you cheated a little bit. That's alright. Johnny, you right?
I think it was a hesitation on purple.
Yeah, I think it was a good start.
Alright.
She's a little faster out of the watch. You moving the stumps?
Because whenever purple jumped off, it
Oh,
split it.
she split it out.
Unfair
She
advantage.
split it. It made me worry.
I couldn't tell who won. You give it a headshot.
I'm not going to cheat.
I'm not gonna cheat.
I didn't.
Hang on. Alright, so in 3, 2, 1, go!
Oh no, look.
The pin on the end over there.
Okay,
Two ends.
okay. Go ahead and step up over here. I'll get you going over here.
Oh, now I really don't know who to cheer for.
That's gonna cheer for me next year.
Okay, go Meredith! Woo! Be fast. Good stuff. Use the
Hang on.
turbo boost.
Go,
Matt. Go, Matt.
Hang on.
Go, Matt.
Okay, hold on. Adjust. Alright.
Alright, so on 3, 2, 1, go!
Meredith win! Go Meredith!
Oh, he's got a pretty tight cannonball going.
Oh, I like their shadows.
Yeah, going over the water. I think it's Matt.
That's nice.
Gotta be
I
Matt.
think he urged me out there. Come over to this side over here. Get you going on this side up there. Go ahead and step on up.
Get up on it. I'll tell you a funny thing. My kids thought that I made up the song Living in a Box. Living in a cardboard box. I sang it for years and they thought I made it up.
Hang on.
I don't know why I'm thinking of that. I thought you were going.
Alright, on 3, 2, 1, go!
Good. Swing your head.
There you go. There.
That was awesome. Yay!
That's your jacket.
There you go.
Think he's gonna win?
So who won?
Between who?
Us.
You did. You won!
Yay.
You won!
Kathy might have had you, Jack.